That is where experience, all the years that he has played comes into the picture. And the other guys around played really well. Aksal's knock of 47 was, I think, very, very crucial as well.
Let's jump onto the bowling now, and you've got many, many heroes across the tournament. Aksar himself with the ball, Kuldeep, Ashdeep. But this guy, Jasprit Bumrah, how do we put into words what he keeps doing?
I can understand you guys trying to put it out in the words, but I've been someone who's seen him for so many years playing alongside me. Even I don't know what exactly is with him, and what I know exactly what he brings to the table, but how he does that, it is just masterclass, to be honest. And he backs his skills, which is more than enough. And he's a very confident lad. Whatever he wants to do, he executes that to perfection, which is a very rare sight. I know
Hardik is telling you that he wants to celebrate here now.
Yeah, no, I mean, just with Bumrah, to put it in one word, he's a class act.
And Hardik bowling that.
Hardik was brilliant as well. Bowling that over, no matter how many runs is required to bowl that last over, nerves, and all of that, I'm very, very, very proud of the boys.
A word to the fans who turned up here finally, who supported you at home and abroad.
Yeah, no, absolutely fantastic. All the way through New York to Barbados, I just want to salute them, to come and support us the way they have. And also back home, millions of people are sitting there watching it. It's a late night in India. I'm pretty sure they will be up tonight to watch this. It is for them. They've been waiting for a long time, like we have. So yeah, I mean, very, very proud of what we have achieved today.
Rohit, congratulations. Thank you very much for the invite. Rohit Sharma, ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champions 2024.
World Cup 1983 left with Saturday 2007 and 2011 left, and then Dhoni 2024 left. It is Rohit Sharma, ஒரு player 2007 inaugural champion இருந்தாரு, and இன்று ஒரு captain leading from the front. அணி தலைவனா இந்த வெற்றியை ருசிக்கிறாரு. Well done to Team India, well done to the men in blue. ஒவ்வொரு முறையும் கடைசி வரைக்கும் போய் தோல்வியை தழுவினாங்க. It was heartbreak after heartbreak for Rohit Sharma and company. அவங்க எல்லாருமே இந்த ஒரு நாளுக்காக தான் துடிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Throughout this T20 World Cup, Rahul Dravid, hashtag do it for Dravid. You can see how much it means to him. அவருடைய உணர்வுகள், அவருடைய சந்தோஷம், அவருடைய உச்சக்கட்ட celebration எல்லாமே நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். What a star he has been, what a champion he has been. Under 19 உலக கோப்பை as a fourth ஜெயிச்சாரு, but along with Rohit Sharma and Team India பல வருடங்களா பாடுபட்டாரு. So close, yet so far in the WTC final 2023 உடைய ODI World Cup final. 7 மாதத்துக்கு முன்னாடி எல்லாருமே அழற காட்சிகள் நம்ம பார்த்தோம், but that was because of a heartbreak. Cut to 7 months later, எல்லாருமே அவங்களுடைய கண்கள்ல இருந்து ஆனந்த கண்ணீர் போட இந்த ஒரு வின்னை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணாங்க. This is what India is about. இந்த நாளினுடைய ஆரம்பத்துல சீக்காவை ரொம்ப பாப்புலரான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொன்னாரு. It's not a best bowler in the entire world. 2022ல அவர் நம்ம பக்கம் இல்ல. செமிஃபைனல்ஸ்ல இந்தியன் கிட்ட தோல்வியை தழுவிட்டு we exited the T20 World Cup. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே ஒன்னா கூடி வந்திருக்கு. When they won the World Cup, there was rain showers. I tell you, listen to that. That is the sound of achievement. அதுதான் the sound of hard work, the sound of dedication, the sound of perseverance and passion. The 15 member squad ஒவ்வொருத்தருமே இதுக்காக தானேங்க போராடி இருப்பாங்க, இதுக்காக தானேங்க ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் கனவு கண்டிப்பாங்க. They dreamt it, today they live it. இன்னைக்கு அவங்களுடைய dream becomes a reality. அவங்களுடைய இந்த வெற்றி மூலமா இந்திய கிரிக்கெட்ல ஒரு புதிய சகாப்தம் பிறந்திருக்கு. Needless to say, undisputed, unscathed champions in T20 World Cup.